Hi, this is Michael, and for fun, I thought I'd take you on a tour of my recently redecorated refrigerator. So we're going to turn around here, and I'll start with the freezer. So let's see. This once was known as the ice cream shelf. Probably still has the worst of what we have dietary left, but we have lean ground beef, some turkey legs, and some chicken. And as you can see, on this next shelf we have salmon, chicken breasts. I think these are tilapia, and then another bag of, I think, tilapia or haddock or something like that. My treats, macadamia nuts and pecans. That's, occasionally I eat a few of those. And let's see, we've got some haddock and, some really good mixed seafood mix. Calamari rings and bay scallops. And then down here we've got tilapia. Well, with Lent, it's kind of a good time to stock up on frozen fish because there are some good sales, and so we have lots of tilapia and some cod, some mahi-mahi, then some frozen vegetables down here, and some frozen vegetables, fruit, blueberries, and more veggies. So our fish list, ironic, I think. But let's see what we have on there. We have chicken stock, chicken broth, onions, and ground turkey so far. And the inside of the refrigerator looks a lot different than it used to. But the new Brand for Life bread, double fiber whole grain wheat berry bread, some mushrooms, smoked salmon. You can really kind of see some of the changes in our diet here. This is Audrey's plain yogurt. Yucky. That's how I feel about it. And whole wheat flour has replaced the tub of white flour in the refrigerator. So, I've used it a few times, and hey, it's not bad. And of course, lots of cottage cheese. I love cottage cheese for breakfast and lunch, and even dinner on occasion. And lots of eggs. Of course, I'm not eating a lot of whole eggs, but lots of eggs because now, instead of 2 or 3 eggs, I'm eating 4 or 5 egg whites, so go through those pretty quick. And then lots of good fibrous stuff. We got some zucchini, bell pepper, some kind of greens that Audrey bought. Got some good cabbage, and then celery. No, this is carrots. And this is celery, and we got some more cabbage. I still have some hot dogs left. Oh no, but those are actually for the dog. So, yep, we decided to use those for him since he's not getting cheeseburgers anymore. And then we got more green stuff in here. A leek, I love leeks. Some green onions, bell pepper, baby carrots. And the once full cheese drawer still has some cheese and some lunch meat, but just light string cheese, which Audrey says has no taste or no fat, So, but hey, we're coping. And some low-fat mozzarella cheese and some turkey breast. And then up here, the once cream cheese tray. Yes, this used to be full of cream cheese and butter. Yeah, unsalted butter, salted butter, and, usually 3 or 4 packages of cream cheese. So that's now egg substitute. And then we have some water and skim milk. So that's it, and I just thought it'd be kind of fun to do. So have a good night. Bye.